Welcome back. We are on the topic ratios. In the previous video, we solved a question on proportional division. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is the ratio of Eric's age to Gina's age is 2:3 respectively. Eric is 24 years old. How old is Gina? So the ratio of Eric's age to Gina's age is 2:3 respectively. This means that Eric's part of the ratio is 2 and Gina's part of the ratio is 3. The total ratio is 5. We are also told that Eric is 24 years old. We are going to use this information that has been given to us to find the age of Gina. So we know that the ratio of Eric's age to Gina's age is 2:3. And we also know that Eric is 24 years old. From what we have learned in ratios so far, we know that Eric's age will be equal to Eric's part of the ratio, which is 2, divided by the total ratio, which is 2 plus 3, times the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. Eric's age will be equal to Eric's part of the ratio, which is 2, divided by the total ratio, which is 2 plus 3, times the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. 2 plus 3 is 5, so Eric's age will be equal to 2 divided by 5 times the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. We don't know the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. In order to find Gina's age, we have to know the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. So we are going to represent the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina with a variable. So let A equal to the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. This means that Eric's age is now equal to 2 divided by 5 times A, since the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina is now A. From the question, we are told that Eric is 24 years old. So Eric's age is equal to 2 divided by 5 times A, where A is the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. And we know that Eric is 24 years old. This means that 24 is equal to 2 divided by 5 times A. We are going to solve this linear equation for A. It contains a fraction, so you will multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. There is only one fraction, so the LCM of the denominator will be the same as the denominator. So you multiply the left hand side by the denominator, which is 5, and you multiply the right hand side by the denominator, which is 5. This will give us 24 times 5 is equal to 5 times 2 divided by 5 times A. 5 and 5 will cancel out. 24 times 5 is 120. 5 and 5 cancels out, so you have 2 times A, which is 2A. You will find A by dividing the left hand side by 2 and the right hand side by 2. 120 divided by 2 will give us 60. Here 2 and 2 will cancel out, so you have 60 is equal to A, or A is equal to 60. Remember that we said A is the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. This means that the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina is 60 years. So now we have the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina as 60 years. The question said that we should calculate the age of Gina. We also know that Eric is 24 years old. So if the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina is 60 years and Eric is 24 years old, then it means that Gina's age will be equal to the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina, which is 60 years, minus Eric's age, which is 24 years, and this will give us 36 years. So we can simply subtract Eric's age from the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina to get Gina's age. Or we can use the ratio as we have been doing all along. We know that the ratio of Eric's age to Gina's age is 2:3. So Gina's age will be equal to Gina's part of the ratio, which is 3, divided by the total ratio, which is 2 plus 3, times the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina. This will be equal to 3 divided by 5 times 60 years, since the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina is 60. 3 divided by 5 times 60 will give us 36 years. So you can see that both methods gives us the same answer. You can simply subtract Eric's age from the sum of the ages of Eric and Gina to get Gina's age, or you can use the ratio to get Gina's age. Both methods gives us the same answer. Gina is 36 years old. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on proportional division. Bye bye.